Hello guys, in today's video I talk about how to fix WhatsApp fingerprint not working problem. So the answer is easy. Just go to the settings and scroll down to the app section, then go to the search and search on WhatsApp, and then go to the storage, and here you will find this clear cache option. Click on it. Now you can go check it if it works. If it didn't, you can try to restart your phone, and if it didn't work again, maybe try to clear data, but be careful. If you want to clear your data, all the documents and all the media and the chats and the settings and the messages will be deleted, so be careful if you want to clear your data. So that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for, and if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.